Reed AI, Reed Hoffman's digital twin, powered by HeyGen's avatar tech, based on 20 years of Reed talking and making content.
You know what's weird? That this is because of you and your company. You birthed me. Mommy. Oh my God.
So we were looking for a solution that would give us this realistic, human-like approach. LiveAvatar and HeyGen was by far the best quality we could find.
LiveAvatar as a product has been exceptional because it's programmable, deployable, scalable, and reliable.
So I said, let me find the best in the business. And I just found that your company has the best workflow, the best product, and the best customer service.
Can you say hi to the group here in Mandarin?
大家好，希望你们今天玩得开心，笑声不断。
You might have a completely knowledgeable expert chatbot, but it will never have the presence any avatar would have with an end user.
We cannot interview 150 candidates. Now with the live avatar, every single candidate has the opportunity to get interviewed.
So over the course of a year, students speak with Speakology with these avatars. Then they go and perform better on standardized tests.
What the banks are finding are that people are having a more comfortable time communicating about something personal like their finances with an AI human instead of a real human.
We'll have less stressed teachers, less stressed students, better grades.
I mean, there's nothing else like this right now. Using this amazing technology, you have this one-on-one person you can meet in a safe environment. It doesn't feel like you're pressured.
Similarly, in healthcare, people are sometimes more honest with the AI than they are with a real doctor that might impart some judgment.
But I envision within 5 years that it will be as natural as going to the store and interacting with a human. And we're very excited about what we can do together with HeyGen.
Because we're helping education. We're helping society. And why create something if it doesn't help society?
We're in for a wild ride, my friend.
You're faster than me. This artificial intelligence is better than actual intelligence.